Hi everybody, assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make something very nice, very soft, very crispy, very moist, and it's a seafood thing, and that is calamari. For those who don't know, it is squid. Squid and calamari goes with the same name, and we are going to make squid rings, that is calamari fried rings in with breadcrumbs. So few ingredients to be used in the calamari recipe, and it is so like a quick and easy fixer-upper for you for your dinner or for your lunch, and you can have it with anything that you want. Maybe chips masala, chips puzzini, with also naan bread, however you like it, with the Caesar salad. It's up to you. So let us start with preparing our calamari. And here we have a squid, but this is like baby squid, you know, the small ones. I've cut them into the circular, like round shapes, and we have breadcrumbs over here, beaten eggs, salt and pepper. That's it. Only 5 ingredients to make for the calamari fried rings, which is number 1, our squid, our breadcrumbs, our beaten eggs, salt and black pepper. So let us first season our calamari. We will add to our calamari rings a little bit of salt and that. With black pepper, we are going to mix that up. As you can see, these are already been cleaned and they are in rings. They're in rings form. So you will take each and put them in the beaten egg. Because the calamari, we want them to be tender, so it does not take long in the frying process. And as you can see, they're not big, they're smaller ones, so they tend to become tender quite easily. It will not take long. We will do the same with the other calamaris. So one hand is for the wet side and the other hand is for the dry. Once you mix these two, you're going to have a messy place. They are so yummy. I've eaten these, like I can have a dozen or 2 at once and I can eat them. For all those seafood lovers out there, you know what I mean. This procedure, you can do it with also octopus. Octopus is really yummy. You can have it octopus as well. And it's a finger food. You can have it also as an appetizer in your parties. Quite easy to prepare, does not take a lot of time, and you will enjoy it with your favorite cocktail. Either you can have your mojito, or you can have your tropical cocktail, you know what I'm saying? Virgin, definitely, please. Not alcohol. We are all virgins in alcohols. So once I finish this, we are going to deep fry them. Yes? In hot oil. And by the way, you can also make this using prawns. You can have it jumbo prawns or tiger prawns or shrimps. You can have it any, it's okay. Right now our calamari rings are ready to be deep fried. I've just heat my oil. It's hot but not too hot, so follow me and let's go and cook. As you can see, the oil is not too hot. We'll deep fry each calamari ring, and since they are small baby squids, they are not going to take longer to cook. We don't want them to become rubbery. Because people who overcook the calamari or the squid or the octopus tend to overcook them, and then the texture will be rubbery. So we don't want to do that. We want a moist, tender calamari rings, fried to perfection. There you go. Don't worry about that. We have fireworks in the kitchen as well. So our fried calamari, they are ready. As you can see, hot, crispy, tasty, and very delicious. Now we can have my favorite condiment. That's what's up, y'all. That's what's up. And there you have it, guys. Fried calamari. Now for the taste. Let's see. This is a nice piece. Try it out. Tell me what you saw, how it went with your recipe, and yeah, can't wait to see your pics as well. Enjoy.